Comfort Systems USA Inc. is a leading American company providing mechanical and electrical contracting services across the United States. They operate through a network of over 45 local companies in more than 170 locations. Here's what they do. First, building systems installation, also known as construction services. Their core service is HVAC, or heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. They design, install, and replace commercial and industrial HVAC systems for new construction. They also provide comprehensive plumbing and piping solutions and handle the installation and servicing of electrical systems. A growing area is modular construction, where components or entire modules are prefabricated off-site, speeding up projects for data centers and other facilities. They also offer fire protection services. Second, building services, which includes maintenance, repair, and replacement. They provide ongoing maintenance contracts for system efficiency and longevity. They offer repairs and emergency services for equipment. They also handle retrofit and renovation projects, upgrading existing systems for better energy efficiency or performance. Finally, they provide energy efficiency solutions to help clients reduce costs. Key aspects of their business model include decentralized operations through their local companies, a diverse customer base across many sectors like manufacturing, healthcare, and technology, and a mix of new construction and recurring service revenue. They also grow through strategic acquisitions of regional contractors. In essence, Comfort Systems USA provides essential infrastructure services, focusing on the mechanical, electrical, and plumbing needs of commercial, industrial, and institutional buildings throughout their entire life cycle.
Okay, let's go.